Hey you guys, I just wanted to introduce to you how our course is set up. First of all, our syllabus and schedule are here. This schedule may be tweaked as we go along. The syllabus is also here. I may tweak it here and there, but nothing as far as like um, deadlines that are going to be earlier than what they already are. And then weekly content, go to weekly content every week. And as you click week one, who is my instructor? That's just for this week. But then the weekly learning plan is here. And embedded in here are the lessons and the assignments and the PowerPoints that I use, any texts that you need, any reading assignments. So this is sort of like your checklist for the entire week. And then as you go to assignments, that is where you turn in your assignments. So the weekly content is where you learn and the list of stuff that you have to do. And then the assignments is where you turn stuff in. So you're going to do annotations and then you click this. This is a Dropbox. Another annotation assignment. This is the Dropbox. Email assignment. You actually email me, but it says that right there. Writing terms pretest. It gives you the links as to where to go. And then this would also be where I would put the grade in. And then get to know you survey, again, the link is right there. So the learning part is in weekly content. And then you submit your assignments here per week. Discussion board, just click discussion. We do have week one discussion board introduction. So I'm excited to see your guys' videos. So you can also send an email, check your grades, so on and so forth. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great day.